Yes.
Hello. Thank you for being here tonight. My name's Matt Waters. I'm a singer-songwriter from Queens, New York, Whitestone initially. And I got some songs for you tonight. Hope you enjoy. This first one is called At the Mercy of a Melody, and it's about finding comfort in a crowd. I see you on the sidewalk at nighttime in the rain, head dripping, head tilted, 20 stories where the yellow crane is up top, and a man in a box reaches for a black cat trap on the window pane. Then you continue into the anxious crowd gathered behind the blue barricade. They have an electric field. People conduct when simultaneously excited and afraid. There are rumors of lightning, people debating how much the crane savior gets paid. And to think I've been so alone, scrounging hope from a screen on my cell phone, walking with an orchestra in my head, passing another human being, making a cardboard bed. What good does a song ever do? What color is your love? I guess a shade of blue. Of blue. You see me under the marquee at noontime in the heat. Another atom outside the garden where we said we'd one day meet. For your sellout, without a doubt, your mother crying in a front row seat. We prayed for one thing meant to be, but so many girls can melodize a beat. You trusted me, I said sign the papers. They wanted our songs and we came cheap. Our lives entwined the night that cat survived. Now you don't even wave from across the street. You still live at the mercy of a melody. Do you tell yourself your world inside is enough company? Do you travel light? Maintain a low overhead. When your world feels empty, do you bring your guitar to bed? And what good did a song ever do? What color is our love? I guess the same.
shade.